This is the GI Map Collection Kit Stool samples. We're going to take a look at how to complete this test. First, you will find the stool collection instruction sheets in here if you need to refer to that. First thing we're going to look at, though, is this test requisition form. You're going to fill out the highlighted information, the patient information, and the date the sample is collected. The rest of this requisition form is filled out for you. One thing to note, please make sure that you avoid taking aspirin 2 days prior to taking this test. I pulled out all the things we need for this test kit. Please be sure to use your gloves when you're doing the sample. Please write the patient's name and date of birth on this orange capped vial. If possible, void urine prior to collecting the stool. Once you have the stool collected, you are going to use the spoon attached to the cap of this vial. You're going to fill to this red line. You're going to mix the stool with a spoon that is attached to this cap, and then you're going to shake it vigorously for 30 seconds. Make sure to put this orange cap vial into the Ziploc bag along with this absorbent pad. You're going to seal the bag. You're going to place this bag into the box along with the filled out test requisition form. Then you're going to put the box into this FedEx shipping package. You're going to call FedEx 800-463-3339. Tell them you have a billable stamp to be picked up, or you can drop it off at any FedEx location. Thank you.